this video, I will show you how to add background music on Snapchat. Firstly, when you open up your Snapchat application, you need to make sure that you have opened up your third selection or the selection with that camera access. As you can see right over here, you can choose up a photo from your gallery or you can take it right now. I will go with the second side. And then, as you can see on your right side, you have many different options in which you need to choose up the third one, which is by sticker size. And right over here, guys, as you can see on your upper side, you have a lot of options in which also you have mention, location, topic, poll, story. But as you can see here, it doesn't shows up the option to take up and add that background music. Now what are you gonna do to take up on that selection? You need to get off from here, and as you can see right down, you have on the 5th place, you have that music bar set up. Just go click on it, and from here you can select a music which is related into your interest. I will go with this one, Jiggle Jiggle, and just select it, and then you can get the most important setup for that part of this video. Just go select it, and now guys, as you can see, if I turn on the volume, I have add background music on Snapchat.